Today we'll learn that Science and Technology Part 1 from this subject. We will learn lesson number 7 lenses. In that lesson, we'll learn that defects of vision and their corrections. First defect, that is nearsightedness or myopia. This defect we can define as the human eye can see nearby objects clearly but cannot see the distant objects clearly. This defect is called as nearsightedness or myopia. This defect occurs due to two reasons. The first reason here, the curvature of the cornea and the eye lens increases. The curvature of cornea and the eye lens increases and the muscles near the lens cannot relax, so that converging power of the lens remains large. And the second reason, the eyeball elongates, so that distance between lens and the retina increases, and that's why we get image between lens and retina. How to correct this defect? This defect can be corrected by using spectacles or with concave lens of proper focal length. Next defect we will learn that farsightedness or hypermetropia. This defect we can define as the human eye can see distant objects clearly but cannot see nearby objects clearly. This defect is called as farsightedness or hypermetropia. For this defect there are also two reasons. First one, that is curvature of cornea and the eye lens decreases. The curvature of cornea and eye lens decreases, so that the converging power of lens became less, and due to the flattering of eyeball the distance between lens and retina decreases. The distance between lens and retina decreases, and that's why we get image beyond retina. How to correct this disease? This defect can be corrected by using convex lens with proper focal length. And next defect, that is the presbyopia. Generally, the focusing power of eye lens decreases with age. Sometimes people suffer from nearsightedness as well as farsightedness. In such a case, bifocal lenses are required to correct this defect. We can some learn some uses of concave lens. The first use, that is medical equipments, scanner, CD player. These instruments use less laser light. For proper working of these equipments, concave lenses are used. Second, the peephole in door. This is a small safety device which helps us to see a large area outside the door. This use one or more concave lenses. Third one, spectacles. Concave lenses are used in spectacles to correct nearsightedness defect. Fourth one, torch. Concave lens is used to spread widely light produced by small bulb inside a torch. And last one, camera, telescope, microscope. These instruments mainly use convex lenses to get good quality image. A concave lens is used in front of the eyepiece or inside it. These are some uses of concave lens.